In this video, I show you how to fix intent resolver keep stopping problem. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Android system intelligence, tap on it, tap on storage and cache, tap on manage space, then tick mark allow clear my now playing history, then tap on clear data, then tap on clear cache, then tap on force stop, then OK. Now search for intent resolver. Now tap on intent resolver. Now tap on force stop, then OK. Now tap on storage usage, then clear data in the same process. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now I hope that this method fix intent resolver keep stopping problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.